Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a slightly different video. I'm going to be showing you how I'm doing my eyebrows, but I thought at the same time I'll do a get ready with me. I'm going to try and stay a bit silent during this video because I kind of want to do it quick, because if I start talking I just take ages and I need to do it within 20 minutes. So before doing anything, what I'm going to do, I've already got moisturiser on my face and I've let that sunk in, and for that moisturiser I use this. I love this because it's kind of oil based, but at the same time it's not too oily. It's just the right healthy kind of amount of oil. And also guys, I wanted to kind of show you my natural face because I wanted to show you all my marks and my pigments and my under eye bags. I have a lot of pigmentation in my eyes, but I think it's not pigmentation, I think it's the natural like that. Yeah, and I have, as you can see around my nose, I have a lot of scars. Well, they're not scars, they're just like, because it's about this time of the month, like I just had a breakout. So, and here you can see everything. So I always do my foundation first and then I go back in to do my eyebrows. It's just the way I kind of do it. But before yeah, okay, the next thing I'm going to apply is the Rimmel Insta. Let me just focus this, and this is going to create the right amount of dewiness. It's kind of, it does look a bit like foundation. I'll show you once I put my finger. I just use a tiny amount, just that much. It does look like foundation, but it's not foundation, if that makes sense. Let me just read out what it says. It says, get up and glow with your perfecting skin tint that provides a natural looking radiant glow and erases signs of fatigue. The ultra lightweight formula leaves skin hydrated for up to 24 hours whilst helping to perfect and brighten skin tone. Can be worn alone for a radiant glow under makeup to extend the wear. So yeah, so I'm going to take a tiny amount and just place that all over my face. I'm not going out of focus. Yeah. I'm just going to rub that in. A lot of people don't put it on the forehead, but I do because I always put highlight on the forehead. And as you can see, I have a massive forehead. I don't use colour correcting under my eyes, but I do use it above my lips. But as you guys know, I don't like to show the rest of my face, so I'll just show you this. Now the foundation I'm going to be using, it's actually a drugstore. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Satin liquid in 21 nude, and I'm going to mix a bit of the Max Factor Warm Almond. So what I like to do is I take them one at a time. So I'm putting on the Max Factor one first. It's really weird guys because my face is a lot more pale than the rest of my body, but to be honest with you, I like to give myself a tanned effect. So that is why I kind of make myself look a bit tanned. So I just like the way it looks. And especially when you contour and stuff. So I think that's enough for now. So I'm going to be using the Real Techniques double kabuki brush. I'm just going to go in and blend all of that together. I am going to go in with my beauty blender, by the way. My hair's a bit of a mess. I'm going to go in with the damp beauty blender and just kind of make sure it's all blended out. Just dab it into the skin. Now for concealer, I'm going to go in with my favourite, this one. This is the neutralizer shade. I'm just going to pop a bit under my eyes, just like that. Just a bit here, just like that. Take down the bit of my nose. I'm going to put a bit on my eyes because I like them to look bright. And on the side of my nose, just like that. But without blending it first, I'm going to go in with contour, and for that I'm using the number 7 concealer, and this is the shade Mocha, and it looks like this. For the price of it, you get so much product, which is what I love about it. So I'm just going to put some here, like that, just a bit down here, and put the side of my nose. And just put a bit at the bottom as well, just to give it a bit of shadow. Now for this, I'm going to use, to blend the contour out, I'm going to use the Royal and Langnickel Quick Contour BND 125. It looks like that. And I'm just going to go and blend out the contour. Yeah. I do go in with the powder contour as well, by the way, guys. For the nose, I'm just going to take the medium shadow brush, only because that's the only one I can find right now. Just blend in the contour. Just blend it in lightly because you want to take your time. I always like to take it a bit to my brows. I want to leave the rest because I want it to blend in with the highlight. I'm going to do the nose next. I'm using the damp. I'm just going to go on the side of it so it kind of looks a bit natural. I'm going to blend the top bits of my eye with that too. And then the rest, I'm going to go in with my finger. I know it looks a bit patchy, but when I powder it all down, it will look a lot better. Now for the contour powder, I'm using the Huda Mini Bronzer. I use this because it's just a lot easier. For my cheeks, and I'm going to go back in with that contour brush that I used. And for my forehead. I'm going to take the brush that you get with the bronzer to do the nose. Just like that. Now with my translucent powder, I'm using the collection one. I'm taking a mini Real Technique sponge and I'm going to put that to set my concealer. You can see creases, so just blend them out. So just take a bit on like that. And set the eyes first. Then I'm going to set the under eye. Not too much because otherwise it's going to dry out the area. So whilst that's baking, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm just getting a spoolie and brushing my brows. And I'm using the L'Oreal pomade in the shade Brunette. My brows usually take less than 5 minutes, but I know this is not the case today. Just take that spoolie again and brush the brows. And now for the next one. Don't really go overboard with my brows, to be honest with you. Brush it out with the spoolie. I'm just going to take a blush brush and remove all the excess powder. And there you have it, guys. That's my eyebrow routine. This is my kind of everyday kind of makeup that I use if I don't want the whole shebang kind of thing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments and thoughts down below and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.